Welcome to ChopChopChef and to another gorgeous day in paradise in my show kitchen. No, it's no show kitchen, okay? Alright, today you and me, we will do a zucchini pakora, zucchini fritter. Very easy, it's a nice, beautiful, tasty vegan dish and gluten-free. Here we go. What we need for this is, of course, we need a zucchini, and then I have some besan flour, some rice flour, in here a little bit of my Indian spice chaat masala, and then we have here some cumin powder, my homemade turmeric, yeah. I have a little bit coriander, pepper, salt, and finely chopped ginger and spring onion. Now what we do here today is very easy. We're taking the zucchini, yeah, okay, we just take this a little bit off. Just let me quickly go to my pan here. Okay, now with the zucchini I have this box grater, what do you call it, right, hand grater. Make sure you use the very coarse version of it, obviously not the slices, not a fine grated one, yeah, so we use this one today. Very easy, the zucchini is nicely washed, you don't have to peel it, and this one is a good size, so we can use the whole lot, yeah. And now we just, very simple, grated whole zucchini in this bowl. When you start doing your pakora or fritter, I like to have all the other preparation done, right? So my spices are already there, and my flours and so on, what I need. And at the same time, if you're having it for the pakoras, you have a deep fryer. Well, this is already on standby, 180 degrees, right? Or you're making fritters, so you have your pan and everything ready. Yeah, and I tell you why in a moment. Now here we go. That's our zucchini. Yeah. If you don't use the top and tail for a stock, yes, I keep this one for my worm farm. There we go, but I have a worm farm, unbelievable. Okay, now we got this one nicely grated, and if this one would stand around now, say for 15-20 minutes, water will come out from the zucchini, and then you have to take this mixture in your hand and press a little bit the liquid out, right? But at the moment it's still all good, and I have all my mise en place here done, so for me it's easy and quick. So, okay, as I said, my zucchini, I put my chickpea flour, besan flour in here. Bang. Then my rice flour, my chaat masala and cumin spice. Before I put it in, I mix this a little bit all nicely together in here. Yeah. So, like that. Zack, zack, zack. And then we put that one in here. So the rice flour obviously gives this whole pakora or fritters a little bit of the crispness, yeah. And then I say a half a teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, yeah, like that. And then we're putting in the green onion, spring onion, scallion, however you want to name it, yeah, that. We're just putting just a little bit, a tip of homemade turmeric. Of course you can use turmeric powder. So we put that one in. And then with the salt, be gentle. I say it so many times, you know, you have heard it for surely. If it is in, you cannot take it out. But you always can add. Okay, so we are just a little bit of a fingertip of salt, a little bit cracked pepper. And now, yes, I mean, a lot of my friends, they're putting in now freshly chopped chili. Nothing wrong with that, but I don't want to make it too spicy. And the same with the coriander. If you have a look at it, this one is roughly chopped. That's what I like for this zucchini fritters, right? So roughly chopped coriander. Yeah, here we go. Don't be too shy. Put that one in here. And all what we have to do now is mix it all together, right? So here it is. And this is obviously very important. Now that everything gets nicely mixed. Yeah. And as I said, you have already on standby on the stove your hot oil, which has 180 degrees, or your deep fryer. Yeah. And then we have 2 spoons. First I show you the pakora version. Yeah. Look at that. Nice, right? Okay. But we need to try this just quickly. Yeah. Doesn't need any more, because all this very intense flavors what we put in from this Indian spice mix, chaat masala, a little bit extra cumin powder, yeah, and the ginger comes out a little bit later. Okay, so that's more than enough. Salt and pepper is in it. Okay, what we do next? Yes, we're coming to the stove. Let's come over here. And here's the next big thing. I didn't use my deep fryer today, so I have my hot oil ready here. And as I said, I use a probe. I want to make sure we're going up to 180 degrees, because that's what we need. Okay, nearly there. Yeah, and yeah, so this is good. This is good. Now we're taking 2 spoons. And we're putting a few balls in here, but don't make too many, otherwise your oil cools down too quick again, right? So have a look, sort of I make a little bit sort of portions like that, right? Like this, and then I come to the hot oil, choom, right? And now it has to go a little bit quick, right? The other one goes in there, yeah. Small, large, 1, 2, yeah. Mix it a little bit. Press 1, 2, 3. We do a few more. Why not? Yeah. So, okay. So that's enough for that. We're putting this one over here. Now, always, as I said, keep your temperature on around 180 degrees. That's the key. And then take a slotted spoon and just turn this, now we call it pakora, occasionally around. They will now fry in this oil for 2 minutes, and then I take it out. Okay, our pakoras, they are now good 2 minutes in this frying oil. Have a look at that, you know, they're looking nice, golden brown, and I can see they're nice and crisp, yeah, on both sides, beautiful, right? So what we're doing now is, obviously, we take them out, yeah, and let them just drain the oil off a little bit. Let's put them here on the side. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. So that's the pakora version. And now, as I promised you, I will show you as well with our same zucchini mixture, what I have here. Yeah, now we're doing very simple zucchini fritters. For the zucchini fritter, yeah, we put a little bit canola oil in here. Same thing. And for that one, we're making a small portions. We put it in here, and at the same time we press this like that. Okay, so let's do this. Maybe we can put 4 in there or 3. One more time. Yeah. Okay, then you just press it straight away down. One more. Okay, yeah, and here the same thing. You start off with a strong heat, yeah, to get a good coloration, and then you turn your heat a little bit down. Yeah. Obviously you don't want to burn them, you want to have them nice, crisp, golden brown, like this pakora over here. Yeah. And yeah, you can, don't be afraid, you can turn them a few times around and about, but have a look. It's lucky me, huh? Perfect. Okay, 1, 2, this one not quite, I can see. Alright, obviously they are much thinner, they don't take that long in the pan, yeah. Let's turn this baby around. Okay. Here we go, do a little bit of press. And the same thing, we just take them out in a minute. Yeah. So this is the zucchini fritters, zucchini pakoras. These fritters with the same ingredients you can use with corn, with any vegetable, with carrots, right? You can put in there in the mixture, if you like, a little bit spinach if you want to. Really, it's completely up to you. But they're definitely a very, very nice, how can I say, food to have. It's so quickly done, yeah. And when you have sort of unexpected visitors coming your place, you know, or you're feeling hungry, that's what you do. And then you serve this one. I will make a presentation in a minute, but you can serve this with a little bit of tamarind or with a mango chutney. If you want to go away from the vegan version, then you can use it with a little bit tzatziki or hummus, baba ganoush, you name it. It's completely beetroot dip. Yes, well, again, it's completely up to you. But this, as I said, we're staying today completely vegan. Yeah, and so that's that. And then we're coming over here. As I said before, very easy. And then we just put it on a platter. Have a look at this. Yeah. There, so that's the pakoras. Then we're having the fritters. Oops, like that. And then, yes, okay, ginger garnish. A little bit more of my coriander. And ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Yeah, zucchini pakora, zucchini fritter for you to enjoy on the ChopChopChef. Thank you very much. Till next time.